Had you worked together instead of against each other, you might have been successful.
Oh, yeah, fine. I'm a fat ass. Whatever. Alright, next game we're going to do... Hang on, let me...
Remember, you said that, not me.
Yeah. Next game we're going to do with Fat Ass and Skinny here is... Let's see. I'm trying to think of a good game. How about...
I thought of the next game. It's up to you guys.
Okay. Shut up. They're still playing cards.
Jin!
Oh, you suck!
Alright. Anyway, you guys done?
Hey, Netflix!
How about we have one guy? How about we have one guy in the scene? We do sound effects. No?
We could do that.
Or we could do two for sound effects. There you go. You guys stay in there.
One guy does sound effects.
One? Alright.
one guy.
Jared will stay up there then for sound effects. And your scene is... What's something
Name an
full of
occupation.
sound? Yeah, name an occupation. How about...
He's a
State Trooper.
State Trooper?
State Trooper. Yeah.
Okay.
Do it.
You'll never take me alive, copper! Oh!
Sorry.
Toss.
Quack! I think mine depends. Never take me lunch. Bam.
Everybody's just... Quick, cover me, gotta reload! Shut the propane tank, man! Come on, we gotta get out of here, it's gonna blow!
And scene.